Macho Nacho Libre is with her right now. He gets to mow lawns. Here we are at the Home Depot buying the things to fix the stuffs, right?
No.
Okay. My vote is for the goof plug. It's a goof plug? That's fun. All right, so here's the project. Catherine, would you like to talk about it?
We're taking the shower apart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta get in here to turn this.
And Dad's calling
Okay,
himself a
long way to the
genius.
limit. You can
Just
pull
on
back,
this?
just pull back on it. Yeah. Water cooling.
All I can see is your hand mostly. There we go.
Okay, get ready. It's gonna pop on you.
Okay. Oh god. You don't go flying.
Maybe. Holy crap! Why is that so tight? Still pulling?
Yep.
Are you?
Yep.
Oh god.
This is scaring me a little bit.
That's all messed up.
Please don't fly backward.
Well, I'm trying not to.
I know, but just don't do it.
There we go.
There. Woo! Oh,
Yeah.
that was fun. It's us. We are en route to, we're gonna go to Nordstrom Rack. Katie wants some shoes. We're gonna look there just cause I thought it'd be fun. And then we might go to TJ Maxx, and then we might go to, you good?
Yeah.
Where else could we maybe go to? She wants some new tenny bops, Nike tenny bops, like the ones you have, right? Sort of like that. Anywho, so they fixed the shower. There was a leak happening, and so that's the part that they replaced, right? Yeah. And then there's gonna also be sprinkler heads, drip line. Replaced or repaired or plugged. Yeah. So that's gonna happen probably tomorrow or another day. It takes 2 seconds. So it could, Dad might do it. We don't know. Anyway, we'll catch up with you later. We're trying on shoes. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, what size are these? My toe comes before my toe comes before the tongue. Which ones? Ooh, those are fun.
They got like paisley.
Those are nice. I like those. Are they Nike?
Yep.
That's it. Oh no, your mom's recycling can. Not your
Didn't
mom's.
she have cans in the car? Mama! There he is, man of the hour. Finally.
You're filming out. You've been here 2 minutes and you're already filming.
Yeah. Oh no, I've been here 5 and I'm already filming.
Does that shock?
Is there anything you'd like
Yeah,
to
I'm
say?
shocked.
Any final words?
I'm gonna be a man today, so it's.
Thank God. Thank God. We've been waiting. What is this, like 40 some years in the making? Love you, John.
Where's Leroy?
I don't know. Just kidding. He's behind me.
Oh, there he is.
Here we are at the wedding. It's so pretty here. This is an Airbnb in Glendale. Very pretty. There's all my people. All my cute peeps. Smile, Liam.
You know we have a photographer, right?
Yeah, but that doesn't matter to me. Look at these yummy squash that I'm gonna pick on our way out of here. Just kidding, probably. Aren't they cool? Love it.
Yeah, that's what these are. Yeah. I think they're solar lights.
Here is the amazing food. Amazing chef right there. Yum. Everything looks delicious. Oh my gosh.
I wish I was
that.
rich like you.
Looks amazing. Naughty.
Make sure I got everybody. Well, wait a second. Hey, are you Alex, you good? Alex.
And
Wait, you guys, this is the
Record
shallow
right
end,
here.
just to let you know. That's the deep end. I'm trying to
Where's the deep end? Nobody stubbed their
that's
toes.
the shallow end.
Make a plan.
Ready?
Hold hands.
Yeah, hold hands.
Hold hands. Y'all are crazy.
Okay, ready? I want to do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, Katie. What are we doing today?
Making a water fountain.
Yeah. Would you like to read the instructions?
The height of the water depends on the strength of the sunlight. When the sunlight is weak, the pump will not work continuously, but will automatically launch repeatedly until the sunlight, after reaching a certain intensity, pump continuous work is resumed. The water height will higher when remove part I. The water height will be highest when choose installation method.
So that was crystal clear. And look, there's all the parts. So we're making, tell us what we're making, Katie.
A bird bath.
Yeah. It's for hummingbirds.
Hummingbird water fountain.
Hummingbird water fountain. So more on that soon. We are back at Home Depot.
I'm sorry.
That's okay, no worries. We're back at the Home Depot. We're making a hummingbird bath. So we're finding all the things. I feel like that one is gonna work right there.
3/8 inch inner diameter.
Nice bruise. No, I was looking, yeah, that one too. I was looking at the one on the back of your arm. Whoops, she dropped something. This one's gonna fit. I just know it is. It fits. I was right. Say it, Katie. Say it, Katie. You were right, Mom.
I think the other one is
Right, Mom.
This one doesn't fit.
It doesn't.
The whole thing doesn't.
Oh, I thought that was what it was supposed to do. We're trying to make the bird thingy. The hummingbird thingy.
And then we can just put the circle on that. This is the same size.
You're using a paper plate
Just to fit down to that.
to see what. Okay. There's mathing and sciencing going on.
Oh boy. Hope it doesn't crack all the way across.
Samesies.
Alright. Go ahead, go outside with it and just drill holes like this, and then all we have to do is just trim a little piece off of it.
Okay. Good to know. I made a hole.
It'll take a run. Broke it.
Yeah. All right.
So the answer to my question, should we have gotten another plate, is yes. Holy. That ain't gonna work out so goodly.
I have to just go slow. Let me see why it's doing. Could just get a.
We're just not so close to the edge.
Kind of cool.
Ouch. Squished my finger.
Got your finger?
See it? I got excited.
Guys are full of good ideas. I'm really, really bad Gordy's getting some belly rubs. She's so tiny. She's the same size as the plate, practically.
Got switches both.
That's a fun sound. Does it work? Yay, nine. Yay, nine.
Push.
Now that the middle hole has been installed through lots of effort, we're putting the holes to be draining holes. Nice, Katie. Now, she's notching out the garbage can, right, for the cord.
How does one?
I don't know. This one doesn't, so I got nothing.
What if I drill a hole and then lift it up? How do I get it to stay on one spot? Because it likes to run along the edge.
It's rolling, rolling. Did this lady do this all by herself?
She burned it.
Oh.
Is that gonna be white now?
What'd she burn it with?
No, it should be white.
The
The solder iron.
Oh.
She burned everything.
really sad if it slips off and hits me.
Oh my god. Please don't.
Good. You'll be fine.
Oh my gosh. Don't hurt. Like that? It won't happen, don't worry.
Didn't slip off and hit her hand.
Didn't slip off.
I didn't think about it.
Because she let it go. No, I know. It stayed in there. I get it. I get it.
Okay, take it off. We'll have to run it through the other side, which will be fun.
Oh no.
Or can you cut it?
No, we can just cut that. It's just a little plasticky stuff.
Okay. I'm going to dial 9-1 and then wait. Filling it up with some water. And there's the solar panel.
Good alcohol fountain too. Just go full margarita.
The margarita fountain for the hummingbirds will love it. That's funny. It started working immediately as soon as the oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wow, that is some magic right there. Science magic. That is so cool. I want to order one of these and make one at school. That's fun. That is so genius. Look at how cool that is. The dogs are going to go crazy. Can you imagine Scooter with this? Scooter would have died for that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's genius. Where are the birds? That is so cool. I love it. Should we put it up in the rocks, do you think? Up there? Like dig a flat little spot? Well, we could put it in a corner, but then we won't be able to see the birds as well.
Put it in your hole.
Yeah, we could do that. Added some little rocks, and now it's beautiful. The hummingbirds are gonna love this. Don't you think? Except for, I don't think it looks good in the middle of the sidewalk. I mean, it's just kind of silly, but maybe that's fine. We're just checking. Okay, so for now, it is sitting on the table with that in the sun. Oh, you scared me. Isn't that cool? So cool. I love the little invention that we made. Oh, it stopped. Oh, it's because you did that. Okay. Science is fantastic.
That way, if it does fall, it won't hit the ground.
Oh, good. You're so smart. It's like you're an engineer or something. Okay, we're gonna try this again. We're on the road again. The phone is trying to play music on the car without our approval. We're going to Hobby Lobby. We're going to Hobby Lobby because Katie, would you like to tell them why?
I'm getting a onesie.
For a baby, not for Katie. Why are you getting a onesie, Katie?
Because one of my friends is having a baby.
She's having a baby. So we're gonna put a little cute saying on the onesie for the baby. So we're gonna.
She's my sea pup.
Her sea pup.
My sea pup's having a pup.
It's a sea pup.
Yeah.
Sea pup's pup.
Yeah.
It's a baby. So we're gonna go do that. So we'll be at Hobby Lobby soon. Also, Katie. I don't know why I did that. Katie is watching The Amazing Race and No Pressure, but it's the last day for it on Netflix, Hulu, and so she's got to watch 12 episodes today. It's fine. Can you fast forward through any of it? No, that's so dumb. So we're gonna watch 27 hours of Amazing Race when we get home.